Tinga ako. Hindi ko na pinaninigo. Wow, panliligaw. Hindi naman manliligaw ang hanap ko. Hi, Ampon. Good evening, ID number. Shall we? Hi, the one. Good evening. Hindi ata hiyang sa akin yung lotion na to. Jergens talaga yung hiyang sa akin. Gusto kong alin ang gusto mong maamoy? Okay ko? Huwag kang mahiya. Bakit ako mahihiya? Wait lang, Habibi. Way between your legs. No, not allowed. Malalim ba yan? Shout out about later. You see that if you want to do private. Anong tanong, be? I'm not a diamond, be, because this is my account is dummy. Because my main account is 30 days ban. So I'm just accept GCash payment. Yeah, if I'm using my main account, it's 500 diamond. But now is GCash. You have GCash? Yeah. Oh, really? That's is dummy? But is the level is so high na. My main account is 30 days ban. Hi, Brown.